Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinalo ng Goyang Sono ang Wonjo DB Promi 94-88. Nagtala ng 2 points, 1 assist, 1 steal si Alex Cabagnot. Dawan Summer 7 points, 1 rebound. Para naman sa Wonjo DB Promi, Ethan Albano 11 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals. Wagi naman ang anyang Red Boosters kontra sa Changwon LG 84-80. Top performer si Robert Carter sa kanyang 16 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. Para naman sa Changwon, Justin Gotang 13 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ng Korean Basketball League ngayong January 3, 2024. Maglalaban ang Busan KCC kontra sa Solisky Knights alas 6 ng gabi, nagaganapin sa Busan Gymnasium. Heto ang team standings as of January 2, 2024. Wonjo DB Promi 23 wins, 6 losses. Solisky Knights 18 wins, 8 losses. Suwon Kitty Sonic Boom 18 wins, 9 losses. Changwon LG Seekers 18 wins, 10 losses. Busan KCC Aegis 13 wins, 11 losses. Ulsan Hyundai Movies 13 wins, 14 losses. Anyang Red Boosters 11 wins, 18 losses. Goyang Sono 10 wins, 18 losses. Daegu Korea Gas 7 wins, 20 losses. Seoul Samsung 5 wins, 22 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.